Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm John Paf and my brother Libitso Kemangutsoko guy.
Hola, Muzi aka Sopolonyoni, Ploma Tingi go Midlands.
Came in and showing Chaka.
No, me brabon, top notch.
Yeah.
I mean, Ronaldo Masol.
Yeah.
I mean, Ox. And guys, you must never forget. Ne?
Yeah.
When he has a bad day, you must remember Jorge Lisol.
Yeah,
you must remember. And Lilepo, how misses a goal next time, you must remember Lisol. Let's keep supporting our boys. Let's keep supporting our boys. I mean, great game. Ralebu, how coach Kaz and coach Khalil. Abatswele pili ka Spad.
Okay. Nchaka wena man of the match Nelima.
Aisha for Nanchaka wabona Zitha Kunika. Aye, that guy papa.
He's a quality.
Then out Chilov. Chilov. Ow. I think that man ubili unfortunate awolo man. Since Kabekha man that man is from Khala ili best from coach Mazulu. I think Tabayor Sundowns Empire in Temlona Mshapeleka nako. Kista said. Left foot educated Yamfundo Villa.
Nchaka Pirates unananga yona.
Pirates man disappointed mawubani. At least ngabe try to qualify ku the group stage because last season isithule ku semi final ne.
Sure.
Inikena na tla push until it prove wrong gore no ntwe ba yeditseng. Aba yetsa ka mistake ntshwantse ba qualify to the group stage. Marish ba disappointed mawubani.
Nchaka message ya for bone ke.
No, me bra, aba relax me bra. Aba relax me bra. They'll have their chance next season. Kina kwaruna no. I mean, no aba me pila.
Sikalukolo no tando. Thank you,
Okay, right, comes the commentator.